What's going on, guys? Real quick intro before we get started. This is going to be a video of me welding together this merge collector for a turbo manifold. This is a T3 collector that I'm doing. This first clip is real time. This is not sped up. Just wanted to give you guys an idea of kind of how time consuming and how long this actually takes and how subtle some of the movements are. Really, as you can see, I'm feeding filler quite a bit, but as far as my torch hand, it really doesn't move all that much. So just give you guys an idea of welding up one of these and how time consuming it is. So hope you guys enjoy. For anybody that's interested, the cup I'm using is a number 12 cup. For flange welds, I normally have it at about 30 CFH, so that's the flow of argon out of the torch. I'm using a 3/32 tungsten, 2% lanthanated, and I'm using 309 filler, that is 1/16 diameter. I use the 309 because it is a mild steel flange to a stainless collector. So just a little bit of rundown amperage for these. I normally set the machine right about 170 to 175 amps, sometimes a little bit higher, really depends. Still using the foot pedal to control everything. So I know this isn't a very good shot, and you can't really see what's going on, but I just wanted to show you this part because it is the hardest part on the collector. It's taken me quite some time to get decent at these, and they're still not that great. As you can see, it requires a lot of stick out of the tungsten, a lot of CFH, and very poor torch angles and filler rod angles. These next clips are a great example of the dab and move technique. It's fascinating to watch this and to see how precise everything is. It really shows you what goes into getting a decent weld. Just showing the final product. Now, I'm not the best welder in the world, that's why I practice every day, but I thought it came out pretty decent. If you're interested in this type of stuff, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I will put a link down below, but my Instagram handle is just Metigulous. And that's really all I had for you guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, guys, see ya.